Yo, people, them quick one. Motorola invited me down to central London to check out their new phone releases. One of my favorites that I have to jump on straight away was the Motorola Edge 40 Neo, the upgrade to the 30 Neo from last year, the purple ting, the very berry ting. If you know, you know. Now, they've kept the same $299 price point, but what I like about this phone is that they're taking some of the features of the higher end stuff and squeezing it into here. Like, we got a 144 hertz OLED panel with the edges dripping off the side kind of thing. Now you got up to 12 gigabytes RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage. They stuck a new MediaTek 7030 in there. They've even put a little spec bump on the cameras, but I didn't really get to play with the cameras that much. All I do know is that the resolution on the ultra wide and the main sensor now go up to 4K 30 no matter which lens you're on, so I definitely know that is an upgrade from last year's 30 Neo. This phone is definitely showing some personality, especially with the fact that so many of the high-end features have trickled down, and it's kind of just getting me gassed to see what are Motorola gonna do on top of this one. Like, what's the upgrade to this gonna be? Because if this is already an upgrade to what happened last year, then the higher end models that are gonna be on top of the Neo are gonna be a Mazzolini. Next, we're gonna go on to the Motorola G84, and say the G range of Motorola is their budget thing, but they're still trying to do the thing where they're taking high-end specs and bringing it down here, fam. Now, what we got here is a standard procedure 12 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes of storage. Bear in mind the price point of this thing is like 60 or 50 pound cheaper than the Edge 40 Neo, fam. You got 120 hertz of refresh rate on the screen there, 1080p obviously. Video tops out at 1080p 30 on both the ultra wides and the main sensor. You still get fingerprint sensor. You got a 5000 milliamp hour battery, but the only thing here is that it's 30-watt wire charging instead of 65-watt, so essentially it's going to take twice as long to charge as the Edge 40 Neo is. You even get that young Pantone Viva Magenta reddish pinkish colorway that you got earlier on in the year with the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. This thing just looks sick. I'm like, guarantee when you pull it out, people are gonna just be looking at it straight away. There's also the G54 that for some reason I don't have any footage of whatsoever, but I feel the best value for money is definitely at the G84 and the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. That Edge 40 Neo, to be honest, for $299, I don't really see any other phone on the market, brand new, that comes to that kind of quality. So that's where it's at for me. Hopefully I'll get my hands on them handsets soon, and yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one, innit?